Chinese scientists have discovered signals of an alien civilization. Researchers have reported 3 suspicious signals, one of which came from an exoplanet. They work with data from one of the largest radio telescopes on the planet. The internet is seething. Chinese scientists have published and then deleted a message about the discovery of 3 strange signals that could be interpreted as signs of the existence of an alien civilization. Especially intriguing is the fact that one of the signals could be considered coming from an exoplanet. The signals, so-called narrowband radio signals, were detected in the data of the Giant Fast Telescope, which was erected in Guizhou province. According to a report by Chinese scientists published on Tuesday, June 14, in the edition of the Saint Technology Daily, the official newspaper of the Ministry of Science and Technology of China, astronomers from Beijing Pedagogical University have discovered several cases of possible technological traces of extraterrestrial civilizations that came from outside the Earth. Let the reader not be surprised by the word pedagogical in the name of the university. In this case, it is an established name, which in English sounds like the badge of normal university. This is one of the oldest universities in China, and initially it was the future teachers of the highest class who were trained here. The FAST telescope began scanning deep space in search of radio signals that could indicate extraterrestrial life in the 2019 year. Sifting through the collected data in the 2020 year, the researchers found 2 suspicious narrowband radio signals of potentially artificial origin. Then, in the 2022 year, during a targeted study of known exoplanets, another strange narrowband radio signal was discovered, bringing the total number to 3. Since the signals are radio waves in a narrow frequency range that are usually used only by airplanes and satellites, they could be somehow related to alien technology, produced by aliens. However, scientists rarely give out scientific sensations, and even more so as for extraterrestrial life. Moreover, it is not customary to declare their conclusions unfounded. Without documentary evidence, usually a full-fledged scientific article is published. In this case, the Chinese, who do not hide their plans at all costs to discover other civilizations with the help of FAST, nevertheless made a reservation that their conclusions are preliminary and should be treated with caution. After all, the analysis has not been completed yet. These several narrowband electromagnetic signals are different from those observed in the past, and the team is currently working on further investigation of them, Zhan Tongsu, chief researcher of the Chinese Research Group of Extraterrestrial Civilizations of Beijing Pedagogical University, told the journal with Telok. The fact is that all 3 signals can have a completely earthly explanation and be ordinary, radio interference. The possibility that a suspicious signal is a kind of radio interference is also very high, and it must be further confirmed and excluded. This can take a long time, Tong TSC notes. After the publication, this report of scientists quickly spread through the Chinese social network Weibo. Several state media of the Celestial Empire also told about him. The reasons for his sudden disappearance remain unclear. By the way, the signals now published. This is not the first time scientists have been confused by radio waves from deep space. In August 1977, during the search for SETI, scientists discovered an incredibly strong minute electromagnetic surge that occurred at a frequency that astronomers suspected could be used by an alien civilization. However, subsequent searches in the same area of space did not yield results. Later studies concluded that the signal could have come from a sun-like star located in the constellation Sagittarius. He could, but the real source of that signal is still unknown. Chinese astronomers want to exclude radio interference, because in the recent past they have already confused alien hunters. In the year 2019, astronomers noticed a signal coming from the direction of Proxima Centauri, the nearest star system, located about 4.2 light-years away from us. There is at least one planet in this system that is suitable for supporting life on it as we know it. Then the signal was also a narrowband burst of radio waves. However, later studies published 2 years later showed that the signal was most likely generated by some faulty object that humanity had previously launched into space. Similarly, another well-known set of signals, which was once thought to be coming from extraterrestrials, was detected between 2011 and 2014 years. However, later it turned out that it was actually created by scientists who warmed up their food in a microwave oven. The Chinese planned to conduct repeated observations of strange signals in order to finally eliminate any radio interference and collect as much information about them as possible. We are looking forward to when the FAST telescope will be the first to detect and confirm the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations, Tun Seiza said in an interview with Science Technology.